And it appears we've got a little bit of a standoff going on down here. The blue jet ski with the yellow hull was already at the dock, and the blue boat behind him pulled up, but now he can't get his jet ski onto the trailer because the boat's too close to him, so he can't get the jet ski backed around enough to get it over there. He's trying to tell the guy to move, but as of now, it's kind of more of just a standoff at the moment. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton Beach. So our guy's just kind of sitting here like, bro, what do you want me to do? And is the guy going to move the boat or what? And there we go, finally. And as you can see, he's walking on the trailer. I mean, the ski just wouldn't pull over. He just needs a few feet. And obviously the ski was already here. And the guy in the boat just came up right on top of him. So he's going to get it pulled around, and they'll walk it up. They got one other ski out there, and they're calling that one in too. And they got it landed, and they'll be able to get these out of here. So our crew's coming in. Hang on. She went to go step off onto the dock, and he pulled off. Got lucky on that one. We kind of missed the shot, but man, for a minute there, I thought she was going in. So our guy's going to make another approach back over here, grab on. See if we actually can stay on this time. And here we go. She'll get the step off, and she'll be good to go this time. And our crew, he started to pull out, but the boat's still attached. Hey, hold on! He's still attached to the bow eye. So our crew's backing the trailer down, but they're really far forward on the dock, and you can tell here that the tide's pretty low. This is why. I think their lines are in the way. In other words, where they're backing the trailer, the guide poles are going to have to go in between the boat and the lines. I hope they notice it before they get there. Oh no, careful. So he's backing into the lines. And you can see him trying to push the boat back, and now somebody notices, and it's like, stop, bro, stop. Thankfully, somebody at least alerted him. That one could have probably gotten a little bit ugly, but I'm just imagining it would have been the guide pole that gave. So we'll undo that line. Try and continue the process. So telling our guy to continue backing up. They're going to grab the boat and try and send it around the trailer. Probably a pretty good plan. And for those of you that struggle with the single jet ski trailers, just so you know, the guy closest to us, this is how you do it. pop that hatch, you can see the trailer. Life is so much easier. And our crew's going to get this one on. So our crew's coming in on approach. Looks like Hubby's got a boat hook in his hand, which means we just got to get close. And he can go ahead and grab the dock. And we're going to brake check the first approach. And it's going to kind of kick him out. So we're going to have to try one more time. This crew heads out, and our other crew's going to make their second approach. So Hubby, it appears, got a line in his hand, on the ready, good to go, ready to go for the leap. Just got to get a little closer. And no, we're going to brake check it back out. Second attempt is going to fail as well. I've got to be careful up there in the bow. If we get a little happy with the throttle, man, it can get ugly quick. So we're going to go for attempt number 3. Let's see if third time's the charm here. And the bow's kicking out again, but Hubby gets it. Goes for the leap, brings her up. Oh, and they wind up hitting the metal pole that's going around the concrete piling. And that's probably going to leave a mark. Those things have been nasty down here at Boynton since they've redone these docks. So Hubby brings her up. And we'll get the bow tied off. But they got to be careful because the stern's probably going to kick out on them. Just based on the fact of how much of a tough time they have with it, it tells me the current's pulling pretty strong. And exactly that, the stern's going to kick out as they get the bow tied up. So they're trying to get another line on the ready, it looks like. And we'll get this one walked back over. And it looks like our crew should be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.